Grewal's Automotive. Complete auto repair. Professional, reliable service is more than just our tagline, it's our way of life. See, we take care of you as if you were family, because we live here right in your neighborhood. Fixing cars is what we do, but keeping you on the road and keeping your family safe is what we care about. No matter what you drive, at Grewal's Automotive, we will provide the security your family needs to keep you protected on the road. Our highly qualified technicians are ASE certified and are equipped to handle all major and minor repairs on foreign and domestic vehicles for quality service and honesty. When it comes to taking care of your vehicle, go to Grewal's Automotive and see us for your next service. We are located at 5210 Commerce Circle, Indianapolis, Indiana 46237. You can reach us by phone at 317-886-7501. Grewal's Automotive. We are professional. Reliable service is guaranteed.